Hi friends, I'm Aditya Shanker, founder of Masterclass Space. After 4 successful consecutive years of making test series for different exams, we are here to launch test series for CUET UG 2024. The test series has been prepared by expert academicians who have years of experience in test prep industry. If you wish to see the feedback of our students, you can check out our website. The different testimonials of students has been given. We have received brilliant feedback from our past experience. Our test series contains all the 3 sections which are there in CUET UG: language, domain subject, and general test. In the domain subject, we have given 18 subjects. You can access as many subjects as you wish to do. The most important feature of our test series is in-depth analysis. This analysis will help you to boost your score. We have also a feature of AI recommendation which strengthens your preparation. My dear friends, in order to give you access to free study resources, we have made Telegram channel with the name CUET Prep by Masterclass Space. The link has been provided in the description below. So my dear friends, what are you waiting for? Get the test series and get ready for CUET UG 2024. Best wishes to you all. Hi my dear friends, in this video we'll be seeing how to purchase CUET UG test series for 2024. So for this you have to go to our website masterclassspace.com. Once you reach the website, on the top you can see CUET section. You click on the CUET section. You will be seeing all the features. We have 3 sections. Section 1 is language, section 2 is domain subject, section 3 is general test. In the domain subjects, we have given 18 domain subjects. Once you buy the test series, you will be having access to all these 18 domain subjects. You can attempt whichever subject you wish to do. Now, in this test series, we have given both type of tests, full length mock test and sectional test, which you can see on the website. All the details are there. Now, in order to buy the test series, you have to simply go down, click on the buy now. Once you click on the buy now, you reach to a form. You have to fill this form to purchase MCS CUET test series. MCS means Masterclass Space CUET test series. You fill this form. You click on the register now. Once you click on the register now, you will be getting a payment link. Once the payment is done, you will be redirected to a dashboard. Now, how does the dashboard look? I have already logged in, so you can see how does the dashboard look. The dashboard looks like this. In order to access the test, you have to go to online test. Once you go on the online test, you will be having access to all the tests. You can see domain test, general test and language test, they are here. In the domain subjects, we have 18 subjects which are physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, business studies, accounting, economics, legal studies, teaching aptitude, history, entrepreneurship, agriculture, geography, political science, sociology, psychology, mass communication, computer science. And in this domain subjects, you can see there are 5 full length mock tests and others are sectional tests. You can see in the physics section there are subjects like current, electricity, moving charges and magnetism and so on. So 5 full length mock tests are there and others are sectional tests. Similarly, you can access other subjects also, like chemistry is there. You can see 5 full length mock tests in each subject. In the business study also you can see 5 full length mock tests. Whichever you click, you will be seeing in the legal study, you will be seeing 5 full length mock tests. Okay. Now, if you want to see the general test, you will go to the general test. In the general test, you will be seeing these are full length mock tests. 10 full length mock tests are there. And if you want to go to the sectional specific test, you will be clicking here: mental ability, numerical ability, general knowledge, weekly GK, you will be seeing the specific tests here, and you can take, for example, if you want to take test on Indian economy, there are 4 tests. You can click on this and you can start taking the test. Okay, now in the language test, we have given English as the language. Again, 5 full length mock tests are there, and others are sectional tests, grammar, vocabulary, synonym, antonyms, and so on. Now I tell you how to take the test. How does the test looks like? In the domain test, for example, I wish to take physics test, physics full length mock test. In the physics, you go to physics full length mock test, you click on this one button. Now for example, I wish to take second test. It contains 50 questions in 60 minutes. Okay, so I will be just clicking on take test. Now you can read all these instructions carefully. Once you have read all these instructions, you can click on this box that I have read and understood the instructions, and you can proceed. Okay, it is saying that time is 1 hour, time to complete your test is 1 hour. Okay, so once the test is over, once the 1 hour is over, the test will automatically get submitted. Okay, you don't need to specifically submit or press any button to submit it. It will automatically get submitted. Now for example, I am going to take the test. You can see like question number 1 is here. Photodiodes are used to detect what? You can see, you can do whichever option. For example, you wish to click on option number 1. Okay, now now you can see save and next, clear response. If I put on clear response, the response will get removed. If I click on save and mark for review, then if first you have to choose the option, then it will save and mark for you. And if I just simply click on mark for review, that means it becomes red. It means I can revisit this. It is just an indication that I should revisit this one. Okay, now for example, this question is there, and whatever the assertion reason question is there, I'm not going to take much time. I'll be simply clicking on like option number 3, and in order to move to the next, I can simply click on save and next. Which of the following is not the property of equipotential surveys? Okay, you can see, for example, I wish to click on option number 1. Okay, now I do save and mark for this one, so you can see it becomes yellow in color. This button becomes yellow in color. Okay, so like this, you can see things will go on. On the top, you will be having your name and how much time is remaining. It will keep, the clock will show here. Okay, now my dear friends, like this you can take the complete test, keep going. Now for example, you wish to move to question number 5, jump to question number 5. You can simply jump on question number 5 and whatever the option choose, and likewise you will keep on taking the test, save and next. Whichever you have answered, it becomes green. You can see it becomes green. Okay, so like this you will be taking each and every question. You can do all the questions like this. Now which statement is true for Gauss law? Whatever is your answer, you can see. Okay, for example, whatever the answer is, I just wish to choose 2, save and mark for review, and like this you will be completing the test. Okay, my dear friends, so I won't take your time to show that each question is completed. It is just for a demo purpose I am making this video. So this way I am just randomly choosing some answers. Okay, once the time is over, the test will automatically get submitted. So like this, my dear friends, you will be attempting the test. Okay, this way it will be, this way we will be able to finish the test. Now once the time is over, it will get submitted, and we will be moving to in-depth analysis, how we can analyze this test to boost our score and to focus on our weaker areas. Hopefully you are understanding how things are going on. This is our test series platform. So my dear friends, once the test is over, the windows of test gets closed and the window of analysis opens. You can check out how does the window looks like. You have scored, like what I was doing, I scored 6 marks. So briefly it shows I scored 6 marks, total percentage is 3%. Well, out of 50 you have to attempt 40 questions only. So, and each question carries 5 marks, so 200 mark test. Out of 200 I scored 6, so that means 3% I scored. And 25% is my accuracy. 25% accuracy because I attempted 12 but got only 3 correct. So basically 25% accuracy only I have got. And here also you can see that users who took this test also took some other tests. So that is basically the recommendation comes in the analysis. Now in the overall analysis, if I click here, I will be given something else. 6 is my score, 3%, and what I'm scoring in different topics, which one is correct, which one I have got wrong, you can see here. And if I have to see that the question 6 in the topic current electricity, I have got this correct. I have to see the explanation. I can see the explanation for this one. Once I click view, I'll be able to see the explanation of this one. So solution is also given of each question like this. Now if I move and I check out question wise also I can see these red ones are basically incorrect, the green ones are correct ones, I can see here. Okay, so if as I click on the question, I can get the question. What was the question? What did I score? What did I answer? What was the correct answer? Like this. In the topic wise, I can see topic wise. If I see, it shows that you are weak in which topic, you performed well in which topic, fastest area, your slowest area. This is how you do analysis, and you can work on your weaker areas. Difficulty wise, you can see in the medium section, like 49 questions for medium, in that section you have scored 3 correct out of 12. There was just 1 question in the easy category. Now now the time wise, if you have to see, we will see that time wise also it shows we have done 3 correct questions, and it shows how much time we have spent on each question. That's question number 6 of current electricity, 11 seconds, logic gate 5 seconds, wave optics 8 seconds I have spent, and average time spent is written here. This is how it is done. Now in the comparative analysis, we can compare our performance with others, but since this is a demo test, so we won't be able to see. You are among the first ones to have attempted this test. Comparison when we have never once more students take tests. So once more students take tests, this will be available to you. Now this is, you can see the analysis of all the tests in the test history. In the test history, you can see in the future also, if you want to see the analysis of previous tests, you can check it out here. Now in the in-depth analysis, you can see topic wise what is coming. Your weak area, it shows your best area, your fastest area, your slowest area, like this it shows. In the customized section, you can see what comes in customized section. In the customized section, personalized report, you'll be able to see generalized personalized report. You'll be clicking on this one, then you'll be clicking generate personalized report. So this is your personalized report, which is coming your weak area, best area, fastest area, slowest area. This is how you get it. Now you can get the AI recommendation also. What is the AI recommendation? AI recommendation is basically based on how you have scored in the previous test. It gives you. Now the CUET UG get recommendation, you will be clicking. So it says that sorry, you have not attempted sufficient number of questions for recommendation. At least 250 questions must be attempted. Please take more tests. So you have to take considerable number of tests to get the AI recommendation. In the customized report also, you will be seeing that this report is available once you have attempted at least 5 tests. So hopefully you have understood basically how things work in the analysis, and this way you should be basically maximizing your score by looking at the analysis section. So my dear friends, it's time to get up for CUET UG 2024. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, take the test series and start preparing. Thanks so much for watching this video. Best wishes to you all.